The Modern Sanctuary, Mastering Home Evolution, Smart Tools, and High-Value Renovation. In the rapidly shifting economic landscape of 2026, the concept of home improvement has transformed from simple maintenance into a strategic investment in residential equity and biophilic wellness. We have officially entered the era of the intelligent living space, where homes are no longer just shelters but high-performing ecosystems powered by AI-driven automation and circular design principles. With the US housing market reaching new record highs in remodeling spending, projected to hit $524 billion this year, homeowners are shifting their focus toward sustainable retrofitting and energy-aware ecosystems. To maximize your return on investment (ROI) in 2026, you must look beyond aesthetic upgrades and prioritize smart infrastructure integration. This means moving toward unified operating systems like Matter 1.5 and UBOS, which allow over 3,000 third-party devices to work in a seamless, interoperable web. Whether you are performing a full kitchen remodel or a simple bathroom upgrade, the goal is to create a multifunctional sanctuary that blends nature-inspired textures with futuristic, low-maintenance materials like anti-fingerprint laminates and mycelium-based composites. The engine of any successful renovation is the mastery of innovative power tools and precision engineering. In 2026, the tool industry has seen a massive leap with the introduction of agentic AI integration in cordless platforms. Modern drills and saws from industry leaders like Milwaukee, DeWalt, and Makita are no longer just mechanical devices. They are equipped with sensors that automatically regulate torque and speed based on the material's density, significantly reducing user fatigue and material waste. For a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, the secret to efficiency lies in predictive maintenance and cloud-based inventory tracking, such as Milwaukee's OneKey system, which allows for wireless customization and theft prevention. We are seeing a surge in 54VXR FlexVolt and 40VX GT technologies that offer corded power performance in a portable, battery-operated format. In the world of home improvement, your technical capital, your collection of high-efficiency, long-lasting tools, is what determines the speed and quality of your value-add projects. However, the most critical element of the 2026 home stack is sustainability and energy autonomy. You must move from being a consumer to a prosumer, someone who produces and manages their own energy through transparent solar integration and smart energy storage. In a market where buyers are increasingly eco-conscious, features like biophilic green walls, reclaimed wood accents, and water-conserving smart fixtures are the ultimate appraisal boosters. A successful home strategy is no longer just about fixing what's broken, it's about future-proofing. As we navigate the complexities of high material costs and the longevity-first design movement, your responsibility is to stay ahead of the innovation S-curve. Home improvement is the greatest lever for personal wealth and lifestyle optimization. By staying disciplined in your project management, mastering the nuances of high-ticket tool investments, and constantly auditing your home's carbon and energy footprint, you aren't just remodeling a house, you are architecting a high-performance asset for the next decade.